Hello friends, welcome again. In this video I am going to show you how we can add stop loss based on ORB first 15-minute candle uh, using half of its length or one third of its length. So let's start. So kindly imagine that this is first 15-minute candle of Bank Nifty, though it is a daily chart, but we will just use it uh, for understanding purpose, and we want to add stop loss at half of this candle. Our entry suppose above this or below this, and we want to keep stop loss at half of this candle. So how we can do that in Tradetron? Let's see. For that we will use LTP keyword, and as we would be in already position, we will use traded instrument name, and here you have to fill all the details. Should be, if we are in buy position, then if LTP goes below ORB high minus ORB low divided by 2, which will give us the half length of the ORB candle. So we will add this condition in Tradetron using round function. As we all know, most of our Indian instruments in Indian stock market have base of 0.05 tick size. So we will use here round, and here we will use math operation, and base is 0.05. Now for getting half of the ORB candle, we will add in math function ORB high plus ORB low divided by 2. So here in math operation we will use one more math operation for ORB high plus ORB low, and here we will use number, and here divided. So here write down ORB here also, and keep it as plus only. So this is first 15 minute. As you can see, this is ORB high, and here we have to change to ORB low, and this plus will add both these numbers, and here we will use number 2 as we want half of its value. So this will give us this value, and whenever price goes below half of ORB candle, it will exit the position. And this is for if you have buy position. If you have sell position, just add greater than here rather than less than. Now suppose we want to exit at one third of ORB candle and to its lower side, lower one third. So how we can add this? Now suppose someone wants to exit at lower one third part of the ORB candle. So like if one has bought something here above ORB high, and he wants to keep SL at lower one third, this area, how he or she can do that? So for that, first we have to calculate range of this candle by ORB high minus ORB low, and we will divide that by number 3, and we will add that figure to low of the ORB value. So let's do that. So for that, just pause the video and watch this carefully. Now we will do some changes. Like here we want to select range of ORB candle, so this math operation we will use minus. So what this will do is, this will give us ORB high minus low value, and we will divide it with number 3. So from here we will change to number 3. So it will divide ORB high minus low, the range of the ORB candle, to its third part. Now we will add that number to ORB low. So for that, write down here ORB low plus and bring this below. Keep this in front. ORB low plus this number. So in this way you can do that. Now if you want to keep your stop loss in upper third part, if you have solved the position, just add here ORB high, and here instead of plus use minus. So what it will do is it will subtract ORB high minus the range, 1/3 of the range. So it will keep stop loss here, and if you are adding 1/3 of the range to low, then it will keep stop loss here. So in this way you can play around with the Tradetron condition builder. I hope you have got the idea how we can do this kind of stuff using simple math functions. Thank you.